Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn how to save the output of any command prompt command directly to a text file. This method is extremely useful for troubleshooting, backing up settings, or even sharing detailed system information with team members or technical support. For example, imagine you are running a diagnostic or network command and need to save this information for later. Saving it as a file is much easier than browsing through a command prompt window. Well, let's get started. First, create a folder in the location you want to save the command results. I'll create a folder named Results, for example, and you can save the command results anywhere you want on your computer. Next, open the command prompt window as administrator. Running it with administrator privileges ensures full access to system commands and paths. And to save any command to a text file, I'll use the output redirection operator. We'll learn about its syntax in this example, as you can see on the screen. For example, I'll enter the command whoami/all. This command displays detailed information about the current user, including group memberships, privileges, and security IDs. I want to save the results to a file. I will write the command. Then I will write the syntax for the output redirection operator as it appears in front of you on the screen, and then click on the Enter button. You shouldn't see any results from the command in the command prompt window, but the results will have been saved in a text file with the same name you entered in the output redirection command. By opening the path where the file was saved, you'll find the file containing the command results as they appear on the screen. This method helps troubleshoot domain and permissions issues. I'll also show another example of saving the output of the ping command. Enter the command ping Google and save the results in a text file. Type the same output redirection command syntax, including the desired path and file name, as shown on the screen, and press Enter to execute the command. Also, no results will appear in the command prompt window, but the result will be saved to a text file with the same name and path entered in the output redirection syntax. I have a final example, which is saving the results of the ipconfig/all command to a text file. I will enter the command, followed by the output redirection operator command syntax, and press Enter to execute the command. Similarly, the results will be saved to the text file in the same path we entered. Saving the command prompt output to a file is a simple trick that can make a huge difference when troubleshooting, documenting, or sharing system information. It's simple, effective, and indispensable for any IT professional. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.